Alrighty, so day 24 I decided to head to Glenorchy, this little town. It was very pretty. I went to the famous Red Shed in Glenorchy, and there was a little waterfront down there that you could go down. I decided to go in the shed, and there was a bunch of historic information about the area and the shed. It's actually pretty interesting to read, so if you want to pause and just have a look at all, by all means do so. It's very interesting. This is the wharf that I went out to, took some photos, I soaked up the view as much as I could. This is my last proper day to do any exploring before I had to pack, so I had 2 days left here, but just look at this, fucking heaven. And then I decided to go get a bite to eat. Can't remember where I ate, if I'm to be completely honest with you, but these are some of the like shops just in town. This was the boba I got, beef cheese, lettuce, mayo. Alrighty Piperinos, so today I was meant to do Roy's Peak hike, sunrise hike, and I was keen for that, but with how tired I was yesterday, especially after attempting the bungee jumping and then the bus to skydiving, holy shit, I was fucking falling asleep on the bus. It was bad, I was tired. And then I'd done the skydive, I was pumped up again, and then I come back to camp and I'm like, fuck, I'm tired, I'm gonna have a nap. I have a nap, and that was like till 11, 12 o'clock, and then I'm like, oh, I'm meant to be doing Roy's Peak tomorrow, I'll check the weather forecast. It's gonna be cloudy, and there's a possibility of showers. So I was like, well, fuck that, okay, at 2 o'clock I'll wake up and I'll double check. I double checked at 2 o'clock and it was pretty much the same. When I woke up this morning, it was cloudy, it wasn't sunny, and I was like, yeah, no, fuck this, I'm just not gonna do it. And I come to Glenorchy instead. A nice little town, gorgeous views, scenic views on the way here. It's an hour from Queenstown, which is about the same for Roy's Peak, but I think it's in the opposite direction. I'm not completely sure. But anyway, it's sunny here. That's how unpredictable this New Zealand weather is. And if I had done that fucking hike for, let's say, 4 hours incline, only to get an obstructed view due to clouds, I would have been pissed. And there's people that do these hikes and they're so sore afterwards, and I've got to not only pack the shit over the next few days, but I've got a concert on Saturday night, and I don't really want to be limping when I'm going to be standing around for that concert too. So I decided, yeah, nah, fuck that, I can do it another time, and I'll organise it better. This was on the way back. I saw this little U-turn bay and decided to get out and have a little quick look, take some photos. Then went back to camp, cooked myself some dinner. This was the view that I was treated to. That's my dinner. And then these are some of the photos that I took with my actual camera from when I was at Glenorchy. Really beautiful place. I'd love to go back to this area. Even like just to spend a couple more days here. It was really beautiful. But yeah, that was all for day 24. The next few days I did just packing, and then I went to a concert, Jessie Murph, on the Saturday. So that's all for the videos, guys.